All right, special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their L01 2-socket adapter with car charger. Now, not a whole lot around the box, and the back just has some information, car charger, L01, and the company sticker there. Thanks to them again for sending this over. So let's open this up real quick and show you what you get. So you will receive for the box, but this is the car charger itself. You do get a full little guide here with Chinese language on one side and English language on the other. So this will have some useful instructions and information that I may not mention, but the power is up to 80 watts, so that's pretty good. So you'd have your cigarette lighter, you're able to plug this into it, and one of the benefits, as you can see, is you can move this around. So you can move it down, move it up, to the left, to the right, whatever you'd need, and then your one cigarette lighter turns into 2 cigarette lighters. Now what's even better is there's 2 USB-C type ports here, and these little buttons on top just enable the ports. So if you plug something in over here, you click this button, plug something over here, you click this button, and you can have all 4 of these running at once, or just, one at a time, whatever you need. But the angle will be very good for a lot of cars, because certain cars are weird and put these in very hard to get to positions. So if you have one down low, you'd kind of have it aimed up like that, so that'd be helpful. But that will essentially do it for this L01 2-socket car charging adapter unboxing. Again, thanks to this company for sending it my way to unbox and show you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.